Welcome to PACE Academy. Today we will start our new chapter, Geometry. Okay? First we will see what is inside of this geometry. So first one is introduction and about points, lines, line segment, ray and plane. Okay, lines and angles, polygons and triangles. In that the properties and theorems of triangles and congruency and similarity of triangles. Okay, the next one is quadrilateral, circles, locus and sine and cosine rule. We will start with the introduction. So first of all, what is meant by geometry? Geometry, geo, is nothing but earth or land. You can call it as land. Metry means measurement, right? So geometry means it's nothing but the study of some space. Okay, that means study of some different type of shapes. Okay, this geometry gives the relationship between points, lines, planes and some curves and surface areas and solids also. Okay, in geometry actually we have two types of geometry. The one is plane geometry and the second one is solid geometry. Okay, generally geometry are two types, plane geometry and solid geometry. Plane geometry is nothing but like shapes are like triangles, rectangles, some circles. Those are all comes under this plane geometry, which is nothing but 2D geometry. Okay, two-dimensional geometry. Coming to this solid geometry, we have the shapes like cylinder and some sphere, cube, cuboid, prism. All these comes under this solid geometry. Okay, so you can call it as 3D geometry. Basically, geometry is nothing but you can take the plane geometry only. Okay, in this chapter we are dealing with the plane geometry. That too we will discuss about point, line and plane. Okay, okay. Now tell me, what is this real application for this geometry? For geometry you can use some science and technologies, and in architecture, art and culture, in anywhere it is useful. Okay, geometry. Coming to mathematical applications, to find the areas of the any figures or area of the any object and volume of the object, all comes under this geometry only. Okay. But coming to our exam point of view, it is very important chapter, and if you are very good command in this theory part of this geometry, you can clear all the problematic part. Okay. Now first we will see what is meant by points, lines, line segment, ray and plane. Okay. Here the first one is point. What they given here? Point is nothing but it's like a dot, right? So point is like a dot marked by a very sharp pencil on the plain paper. Okay, so it is nothing but a point. How we can represent the point? With the letter P. Clear? So this is a point we are representing with letter P. Now tell me, does this point have any dimensions? Does it have any length? No. Can I calculate the length of this point? No. Does it have any breadth? No. Does it have any thickness? No. So the point doesn't have any length, breadth and thickness. So simply you can call it as dimensionless figure. Okay. Point is a dimensionless figure. It's nothing but the point doesn't have any dimensions. Either there is no length, there is no breadth, there is no thickness. That means the point is a dimensionless figure. Clear what is meant by point? The next one is line. So what is meant by line? Line is nothing but, a line is defined as a group of points. Okay, a group of points which are straight line straight one after another. That means like this. Okay, whenever a group of points straight one after another. Okay, this is formed what? A line. Okay, this is called a line or straight line. You can call it as a straight line. So